An MCQ from the chapter of chemical kinetics. Two reactions R1 and R2 have identical pre-exponential factors. The activation energy of R1 exceeds that of R2 by 10 kJ per mole. If K1 and K2 are rate constants for reactions R1 and R2 respectively at 300 Kelvin, then ln K2 by K1 is equal to universal gas constant R is equal to 8.314 joule per mole per Kelvin. Okay, we are told about two reactions R1 and R2. They have identical pre-exponential factors. So, when we write Arrhenius equation, we can write it like this: ln K, this is the rate constant, equals ln A minus EA by RT. This is the pre-exponential factor A. We are told for both the reactions R1 and R2, the pre-exponential factor is the same. And then the temperature is the same, that is 300 Kelvin. What else is given? We are told the activation energy of R1, reaction R1 is, let us take it as EA1, and the activation energy of R2 is EA2. We are told activation energy of R1 exceeds that of R2 by 10 kJ per mole. So the difference is 10 kJ per mole. Gas constant is also given. K1 and K2 are the rate constants for the reaction. So we are asked to find ln K2 by K1. Let us write both the equations as ln K1 equals ln A minus EA1 by RT, and ln K2 equals ln A minus EA2 by RT. ln A and ln A both are the same, so we can omit that here. So we can, when we write ln K2 minus ln K1, we can write minus EA2 by RT minus EA1 by RT. This will become minus EA2 by RT plus this minus and minus will become plus EA1 by RT. Let us rearrange it as EA1 by RT minus EA2 by RT. Now let us take this RT outside the brackets and we will write this as ln K2 by K1 equals 1 by RT into EA1 minus EA2. EA1 minus EA2 is given as 10 kJ per mole. So we can write this as 1 by, let us substitute the values. 1 by R, universal gas constant, is given as 8.314 into temperature 300 Kelvin into EA1 minus EA2 is 10 kJ per mole. But the gas constant is in joule per mole. So we will multiply this by 1000 and make it in joules. Okay, now let us do the calculation. So 100 by 8.314 into 3. 100 divided by we will get this as 24.9. Let us make take it as 25. So it will be 4. The answer is option B, 4.